Now the question is, well, if we have such a crypto inventory and we can start our migration process, until when do we have to be ready? And that's, of course, a difficult question because nobody knows when Q-Day will take place. So it depends on how long the encrypted data need to be secure. Then now we need to talk about the so-called Mosca theorem. This is a mathematical formula. Well, it looks a little, in my view, a little more complicated than it really is, because it's actually a very obvious statement. So let's start with the variables we use. X is the time during which data must be secure, and Y is the time needed for migration to post-quantum cryptography, and Z is the time until Q-Day. And now the formula is quite simple. X plus Y must be smaller than Z. As I said, it's a very obvious statement. It simply means we need to start in time, otherwise it will last too long before Q-Day. Here we have an example. Let's assume that we have financial data or classified information that needs to be secure for 20 years. I think that's realistic. There are many information that need to be secure for such a time span. If we assume that Y2Q happens in the year 2035, we need to conclude our the encryption needs to be quantum secure by 2015, and this means that we need to be done with our migration in the year 2015, which is actually 10 years ago. And all this basically means if the year Y2Q is really 10 years from now, it's too late for migration now. So all we can do is hope that it will take a little longer. And if it does not, it means that in 2035, it will be possible to read encrypted data that is meant to be secure for another 10 years. Okay, that's the way it is. Now, if you want to learn more about post-quantum migration, I already mentioned that there's a lot of literature about it. Especially there are a couple of migration guides. So if you're looking for a PQC migration guide, you should check the website of the ETSI or of the NIST or of the Cloud Security Alliance or of the NCCOE. These are all not-for-profit organizations, and they all have published PQC migration guides. So there's a lot you can read if you want to get informed. And by the way, my employer has also published a PQC migration guide if you're interested. So there's certainly no lack of information about post-quantum migration. There's certainly a lack of experience because so far no larger organization has really migrated to post-quantum cryptography. All this will certainly happen in the years to come.